When we chose Konica Minolta, we wanted a robust, reliable platform that would allow us to grow along with our business. And Konica Minolta being a cloud-based PACS system that was very user-friendly, it allowed us to expand our business into places we previously were not. Currently, we read more than 250,000 studies on Konica Exa. As a group, we plan to read more than 650,000 plus this year. We cover 5 hospitals here in Houston. They're all under one umbrella system. And our group wanted a robust, reliable backup solution for when the main hospital PACS system goes down, which has become, unfortunately, increasingly more common. Because of that, we started a project to connect every single hospital that we cover into our Konica Minolta PACS system. We can provide seamless care of the patients across the enterprise, even during hospital-specific downtimes. By allowing our radiologists to be more efficient, it has allowed us to grow our business exponentially. It is extremely reliable. It is extremely user-friendly. It allows our radiologists to be efficient. It allows us to use every different modality that we cover, and it allows us to read them with ease. This zero-footprint viewer technology from Konica Minolta has enabled us to grow exponentially because it has allowed us to enter into different imaging clients that previously we would not be able to. It is very scalable. It is easy to deploy across a variety of our infrastructure that we have. Konica Minolta radiologist tools are the most rewarding part of the system for us because it is extremely flexible. It is very customizable for each individual radiologist, and the tools are readily accessible, and that in turn makes us more efficient to view cases and to view images accurately and make a precise diagnosis. As we look to the future, we are very excited about the new integrations that Konica Minolta has. For example, the artificial intelligence platforms that Konica Minolta is partnering with, which includes voice recognition, as well as the smart worklist orchestrators that will greatly help our organization. We were very excited to hear about the partnership between Konica Minolta and AWS. AWS services and provides infrastructure to some of the largest clients in the US and the world. And so to be part of that team and organization, we were very excited for that. What we see as a great potential for our continued partnership with Konica Minolta as the migration to AWS happens is that it allows us to have even more immense scalability.